One thing I really regret is कि store थोड़ा बड़ा ले लेना था. Now I'm running short of place, but I have lots of collections.
How did Fulkari come to life and what inspired you to start this Indian ethnic wear?
पहले से college days में ही बिजनेस का बहुत इंटरेस्ट था, तो तभी से मन था कि कुछ ना कुछ इस फील्ड में करना है. दैट टाइम कजिन्स के साथ मिलके वी डिड मेनी एक्सपोज. And then जैसे college days हुआ, life went on, everything. I didn't get that scope and just slipped off the mind with the life. But then life gave me one more chance. At the age of 40, I could bring my passion, my dream, everything true in picture. And then the Fulkari evolved.
Tell us about your aha moment.
Like या तो कोई designer clothes मिलते थे या कहीं retail casual stores मिलते थे. So I wanted something which is little designer and which retail and both mix उसका हो जाए, where I can get even designer and few curated clothes also. And then that's where we started the idea of ethnic wear. And then our research, everything started. When we went more and more deep into it, then we got to know how Fulkari has to come up with and what it has to come up with.
Fulkari is such a cultural rich name. Is there any special story or meaning behind it?
The clothes are like born in more traditional events or cultural events में, तो ऐसा ही कुछ नाम चाहिए था जो rooted हो अपने fabric से, काम से, तो हमने इसके लिए we chose Fulkari.
What was your initial scenario when you started this?
This place, like when we entered this, so we got a vibe like, yeah, this is the place where Fulkari can come up. Everything was like just perfect, what we had dreamt of. And the best part of it, everything we did it in just 25 days.
How did your family, especially your father, supporting you or influencing you in building this journey?
Dad is a role model in my life. And today, the business qualities, whatever I have, it's all inherited from my dad. And he is the strongest pillar where he's standing next to me every minute of my life. It was a beautiful journey where the whole family, maybe it's my Di, my Bhabhi, my parents, my brother, who brought all my dreams into life. Like my mother is reliving motherhood with my kids. Whole family stood just next to me. I have so many strong pillars around me that nothing can shake me.
Were there any situation where you felt very overwhelmed?
From the day of our opening, the response what we got from the customers, from the friends, family, that was so overwhelming and so inspiring even till date. The compliments what I get for our collection, our team and the service what we give, that's overwhelming till date.
What's one thing you will never compromise on when it comes to Fulkari?
So when it comes to Fulkari, the first thing is quality, customer service, price and new collections. That will be never compromised.
इतना जयनगर में एथनिक वेयर है जिसका लिमिट नहीं है. Like every second building we have an ethnic wear store. What makes it a difference?
We keep curated pieces from all the small designers. तो बहुत सारे designers को हम platform देते हैं where they can showcase their pieces here and that stands out from the other stores.
You are not just building a brand, you are representing women who dream of financial independence and self-reliance. What does women empowerment mean to you personally?
Me being in 40s and a single mother and building up a business like this, I feel every woman should be financially independent and should never give up her dreams.
What keeps your customer coming back here?
The collection, because we keep updating it every now and then. Every time they come here, they get a new things to see and in-house tailor service where they don't have to rush anywhere for the alterations. We have everything in-house. So they come, they pick and they're ready to wear for any occasions.
One of your reel went 3 million views and the customers loved your pieces.
The love and the thing what we got from our customers, and after that the feedback just went viral and we were all over the internet and that was the best thing what happened. And that was a turning point also for Fulkari from there.
So what's your next goal?
To have Fulkari stores all over India. That's our next aim, that we have to come up with multi-stores. सब पीछे छोड़ेंगे, उंगलियों से कल की